Hello to the best viewers in the world. Tonight, we're driving through one of the most important routes in Tehran. You might have passed through it many times, but do you know its story? We're entering Modarres Highway from Hemmat and driving all the way to Tabiat Bridge on a quiet, peaceful night. Ready? Let's go. Before this route became a highway, different sections of it had various names, like Takht Jamshid Street and Vozara Street. But after the revolution, they decided to turn this route into a major highway and named it Modarres Highway, in honor of Ayatollah Sayyid Hassan Modarres, a key figure in Iran's constitutional movement and the National Assembly. We've just entered from Hemmat. This area has always been a busy spot, but tonight the road is quiet and the city lights give it a unique atmosphere. We're passing under Modarres and Abbasabad streets, a mix of residential and administrative buildings. During the day, this area is crowded and full of energy, but at night, it feels completely different. One of the highlights of this route is Tabiat Bridge. This bridge is one of Tehran's most famous modern landmarks. It's not just a regular pedestrian bridge, it's a space where people walk, relax, and enjoy the view. Fun fact, Tabiat Bridge has won multiple international architecture awards, including the prestigious Aga Khan Award for Architecture. Moving forward, we approach Mirdammad Bridge, one of Tehran's key business areas. I actually made a separate video about Mirdammad Street before, and you can find the link up here. If you're interested, make sure to check it out after this video. Another fascinating part of our drive is the Beheshti and Elahieh neighborhood. After crossing Sadr Bridge, we enter one of the most luxurious and expensive areas in Tehran. This district is filled with embassies, old mansions, and modern skyscrapers. If you'd like to explore this part of the city more, I have a special video about Elahieh. You can find the link up here. Be sure to watch it after this one. As we move forward, the road becomes more open, surrounded by trees, creating a sense of freedom. Finally, we reach Tabiat Bridge, marking the end of Modarres Highway and leading us to another key route in Tehran. One important thing I want to mention, especially for my international viewers, is that Iran is one of the safest and most affordable travel destinations in the region. Despite what some foreign media might suggest, Iran is a country where you can travel with peace of mind, experience incredible hospitality, and enjoy everything at a fraction of the cost compared to other countries. If you're looking for a unique adventure, amazing food, and scenic roads like the one we're driving on tonight, Iran should definitely be on your travel list. So we've completed this iconic drive together. Now we know that Modarres Highway is more than just a road. It's a path full of history, landmarks, and amazing places, from the old streets of Tehran to the award-winning Tabiat Bridge. Don't forget to check out my Mirdammad and Elahieh videos as well. You can click on the links above or watch them right after this one. If you enjoyed this drive, make sure to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Which road in Tehran do you want me to drive through next? Let me know.